5 months. So only 5 months. So I would like to say, I have seen, I have observed most of the people, they are able to speak English. So you must take one thing in your mind, that is not your end. So now you have begun to speak English. So day by day, you can get more experience from the people and from the world. So you have to go through the internet and many books to get your resources. That is how, so you can speak the correct and nice English. And we can say that our motto is Feel Brilliant Future. Here, we are not teaching, or we don't teach English as well as the ICT, singular language and the personality skills. Here, the personality skills is very important for the people, because when I ask somebody here, they are unable to speak in front of English. So if a person wants to speak in English, he or she must have the confidence. Otherwise, he cannot speak in front of others. But here, all the students who are able to speak in front of the others, that is how you got the confidence in ECT. So I am proud to say that, so you have achieved something in English, but it is not complete. So until you die, you can learn more English. This is, therefore I say, this is not the end. This is the beginning, and you have started to speak English. So before that, then I would like to thank every people, because so when we started this program in Sangane, our Sangane people, they gave their maximum help for us to develop this course, especially. So I can say one person here, and he was the first people here. So I am proud to say that. So because of your cop and because of your hand, so we are here in this match. And we got some feedback from you also. So according to your feedback, now we are growing with you. So I am not growing in English. I am not growing. You are growing with me. That means I also have been growing in English. So I can say, so I am not fluent in English. So every people are getting knowledge from the resources, from the people and from their experiences. Therefore, wherever go, whatever you do in the world, so you must get many experience from the people. So according to the person, he said, Mr. Sri Rajivan, he is a small guy, so I know he is just like 21 years old. And in his speech, I have observed that he has a good confidence in English, not only in English, so every field, he has touched in every field. For example, he has mentioned about Abdul Kalam. So Abdul Kalam from the Rameswaram, small village and fishing area. From the area, Abdul Kalam, now he is the biggest person in the world. How he has achieved the target? He has achieved the target because of his confidence and his thoughts. So if we want to be a successful person in this world, so we must have the great idea or great goal. So we must set in our mind. That is how we improve in every field. So before that, and so we would like to welcome our distinguished guest. And thank you very much for coming here. And so you know, then so within the 1 year, yes, come. And again, we would like to welcome you here. And I have a nice chance, nice time here. So therefore, so you are not learning here English. So you are learning all the things. So in the future, near future, so I would like to, I have many ideas to promote your life in the correct path. That means you want to touch the future. That means, so we are here in Jaffna. So according to His Excellency Mahindra Rajapaksa, he has said that English as a life skill. Therefore, we have to bring out to the world. So in 1980, I can think that the Prime Minister of Singapore had come to Sri Lanka and seen around Colombo, and he said that I will make my country as Colombo or like Colombo. But now Singapore has gone somewhere up and Sri Lanka has gone down. So what is the reason? Now I think the situation is normal, atmosphere is okay, and people are they are in good progress. Therefore, and especially I want to say, so in Jaffna, most of the universities, not national universities, more than that, the foreign universities are coming here. So if you are unable to go to the universities, you must find the universities to follow your degrees. Now they are available in Jaffna. For example, Kolombotherai and Monipai also, they would like to come here, and they have put their small offices here, and in the future they will be available in the wide level. Therefore, don't miss the education. So through the education, so we have to bring out the society in a good level. And so according to him, I can say the courage is very important. That means I can say the confidence. In Tamil song, I can say, Unnal Unnal Mudiyum Thola, Ni Munnal Munnal Vada. எல்லா புகழும் இறைவனுக்கே, நீ நதி போலே ஓடிக்கொண்டிரு, உன் வேர்வைக்கும் வெற்றிக்கும் உன்னை உள்ளத்தில் ஊர் வைக்குமே. That's mean எல்லா புகழும் இறைவனுக்கே. So whatever you do, whether it is right or wrong, you are not responsible. So all the responsibilities are the God. Therefore, so if you want to speak English, don't think that I want to speak correct English. So I am sure that so English is second language for us, not the mother tongue. So if you ask me, I can't say Tamil meaning of Tamil. So in this, for example, car, C-A-R, car. So we don't know the Tamil name. C-A-R, car, it's an English word. But actually its name is Mahulundu or something. And if we say the name and we will laugh, that is our language. So without knowing us, so we are using that kind of words. Therefore, so English is not a big thing for us. It's a small thing like a Tamil. So you must understand. So many people come here, say, I can't speak English, I don't have enough knowledge in English, so don't put me here in front of others like that. So I want to say you one thing, from the grade 1 to grade 13, after the universities also, you have been learning English, but you are unable to speak at least one sentence in English. Why? What is the reason? There are some wrongs in your thoughts. You are seeing English as a big thing, as a evil. That is not like that. But after coming here, the people realize that, oh, English is very nice language and I can speak English. That is how we improve their confidence. If you are able to speak English in front of the others, then you will be achieving all the things in the world. That is how I want to say about the English. And especially, if you want to be in Sri Lanka as a success person, so you must learn Sinhala also, as well as the ICT knowledge. So ICT knowledge, now the world is the globalized. Therefore, we must have the good knowledge in ICT. So without having these qualities, so even you can have, you maybe BA, BSc, MSc, MPhil or PhD. So you can have, so Mr. Rajivan, BSc, Diploma in English, MPhil, MH, PhD. So there are many things I can write. Now people are writing under their names. But without English and the language skills and the personality skills, as well as the ICT skills, if you don't have this kind of skills, you can't touch the future. But you can, so if you like, you can write after your name. That is why you are proud of it. People will never respect you. So even you can be happy in Jaffna. When you pass Jaffna, so people will never respect you. Because you can't even communicate with other people. Then if you are having a good knowledge without English, how can you say your ideas and concepts for the other people? Therefore, and now and according to him, so nearly 4,200 unemployed are here in Jaffna, especially the graduates. So they are unable to get the jobs. And the advisor of the presidency, he said that he wanted to select one person as secretary of the European College, but 18 people they have faced the interview, but no one could write a letter in English. What a shame. But we are saying that I have a BSc, MSc or many things, but here see, we have to down our head below. Therefore, in this way, we have understood what are the problems the people they have been facing. So we have the responsibility to give the good education, especially in English as well as the English and computer and the personality skills. So here, as a subject, we are teaching the personality skills also. So after the 5 months, our students, so here I don't hold them as the students, they are the participants. I am a teacher for you. I am just Rajivan, Mr. Rajivan or Rajivan. So I don't want the sir or anything. So I want to be a simple person in the world. Therefore, don't call me sir or anything. And you are the students for me. So you are the leaders in this society. And we take a small part, that means 0.1 part in your success. 99.9% you are doing the attempt. Because of your attempt, you are able to speak English. Because of your wish, you are speaking English. Therefore, don't thank me. You must thank for the God. The God is the responsibility for everything. Therefore, I am as an English teacher, so I am doing my duty only. Then always we are doing the correct way how to teach in English. That is how we are developing our city here. Therefore, hereafter, our next pages also don't say thanks for me, thanks for the God. For example, A.R. Rahman, after getting an Oscar, he said that not for anything. So, எல்லா புகழும் இறைவனுக்கு. நீங்கள் என்ன செய்தார்கள் கூட செய்தார்கள் எல்லாம் இறைவனுக்கு தான். இந்த கருத்தை உள்வாங்கிக் கொண்டு especially your parents and you have, I think you have seen your children's performance here. Then and I think next coming December after the vacation, December vacation, so we have planned to start a 1 month course here. That means 13th of November we are starting the course. So we will start the class at 8 o'clock early in the morning, and we will complete the lessons at 5 or 6 o'clock. The whole 1 month, I think 20 days. So we are proud to say that we will make the students as the best English speakers, as well as my wish is they want to go for the competition in national level. So I am proud to say that I will make them as the best speakers in English. Here also, some people say that English this is wrong, this is wrong, this is grammar wrong. We must understand one thing: there are 2 languages in English now. American English and the British English. The American people say the director, but British people say director. If I say the director, no, it is wrong. Director is correct. The finance and the finance. On the way, on the weekend, at the weekend. In most of the books we see at the weekend. But American people say on the weekend. But so I have gone through the books also. In all the British books, they have said at the weekend. One time, my best friend from the Singalavan, he is my best friend from the Royal College Colombo. He sent me a message, Rajivan, at the weekend is wrong. told the weekend is the correct. The I said, thanks for your comments. Then I will go through it. Then all the internets, all the books, I have seen that. I have gone through. But in all the British books, they have mentioned at the weekend. C-O-L-O-R color. C-O-L-O-R color is a British spelling. But American spelling, C-O-L-O-R color. So even in the computer also, if you write a program P-R-O-G-R-A-M-M-E, definitely it will be wrong according to the American English. But one thing, we can't give up the American English as well. Because the American people they think that their language is the best language in the world. Therefore, we have to follow their English also. Then I want to go, I wanna go. If I write wanna go, some people guess that that is wrong. So the day to day, the every day, English is changed. American people change the English. So don't think that it is the correct, it is the correct, it is the wrong, like that. So if you think is correct in English, first you must speak English according to the doctor said. So Tamil English correct. So it's a proven. அப்ப தமிழ்ல என்ன உள்ளது நான் நேற்று கொழும்புக்கு போனேன் என்ன டென்ஸ் இது பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸா அப்படி திங்க் பண்றது லைக் அது லைக் தமிழ்ல நீங்க எப்படி கதைக்கிறீங்களோ அப்படியே இங்கிலீஷ் அது ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் இன்டர்வியூல ஜிஎல்பி கேட்ட பொழுது பேட்டி கேட்ட பொழுது எப்படி நீங்க how do you speak English? He also has a good knowledge in English as well as Lakshman Thaduram also has a good knowledge in English. அவர் சொன்ன பொழுது I think in English, I dream in English, I eat in English. I think in English. English language like therefore I speak English. Some people then they get some ideas in Tamil and they try to translate. But here we don't encourage the students to translate English. So and then I can say that the best examples I don't want to say about our university because the people students are the evidence for our city. Now they are able to speak English. So one from the grade 1 to grade 13 after facing degree also, why you are unable to speak English even in one sentence? Don't know. Then what are you studying? You know the many words in English. But here speakers, our people speak nice English. Our vision is to provide the good education throughout ECT and so we keep one thing while teaching process here. That means if I have ability in any field, I must give the poor people. So around Jaffna and all the in Jaffna there are a lot of poor people. ஏழைகள் இருக்கிறார்கள். அவர்களுக்கு வாழ்க்கையில முன்னேறதுக்கு ஆர்வம் இருந்தும் காசு இருந்தும் சரியான பாதை கிடைக்கல கவலைப்படுறாங்க. For example, there is a law student by Niroshta. I said that you must fight the book. எப்படி எழுதணும்னு சொன்னா புக்க சாதாரண பாமர மகனும் வாசிச்சு இலங்கையில சாதாரண சட்டங்கள் என்ன இருக்குது சட்டங்களால என்ன பிரச்சனை வருதுன்னு சொல்லி இன்றைக்கும் எங்களை ஆக்களுக்கு தெரியாம இருக்குது. அதனால கோர்ட் போலீஸ் சொல்லிட்டு காசுல செலவழிச்சு அதனால ஈவன் நவ் ஆல்சோ தே ஆர் இன் தி ஜெயில். இப்போ ஜெயில் தான் இருக்குது வர முடியல. ஏனென்றால் சட்டம் தெரியாது. லோயர்கிட்ட போனா லாட்ட போனா காசு 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 காசே தான் கடவுளா கடவுளுக்கு இது புரியுமடா அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாரும் காசு தான் நிக்கிறாங்க. மக்களின் பிரச்சனை பார்க்கறதுக்கு யாருமே தயாராக. Especially through the ECT, our people, if you are having a knowledge in every field, you must give them freely, get some less money. In a Chinese Palamoli, Chinese proverb I can say, if you want happiness for 1 hour, take a small nap. If you want happiness for a day, go fishing. Fishing bongo. One day. If you want happy for 1 month, happy for 1 month?
Get married.
What is that?
Get married.
Get married. One masam. Get married. So if you want happiness for forever in your life, உங்களுக்கு வாழ்க்கை ஃபுல்லா ஹாப்பி வரணும்னு சொன்னால் ஹெல்ப் சம்மன் எல்ஸ், யாருக்காவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க. 10 பேரை வாழ வைங்க, உங்களை கையெழுத்து கும்பிடுவாங்க. அதுதான் வேணும் உங்களுக்கு. உங்களுடைய நுழையை கொண்டு அழகுபடுத்தி வைக்கிறதுக்காக நுழைய இல்லை. கல்விகள் போகும் வந்து அன்றைக்கு இடத்துல போன பொழுது ஒரு ஃபாதர் சொன்னார், கல்விகள் எப்பொழுதும் கிராம மட்டங்களில் இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்க வேண்டும் சொல்லி அந்த சரியாக நாங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுத்துக்கலாம். கல்வி இங்கதான் வரணும், இங்க இருந்து தான் அங்க போகும். கிராமம் தான் நகரத்துக்கு போகும், நகரம் தான் நாட்டுக்கு போகும். ஆகவே கல்வி இங்கிருந்து தான் வளர வேண்டும் என்று கனவு வச்சுக்கொண்டு I can say there are 2000 MBBS doctors in London. Am I correct? There are many. Yes, the many, I can't say the exactly numbers. There are a lot of MBBS doctors in foreign countries. Here, when we had the difficult time, there were few doctors like you. They were unable to serve many people. காப்பாற்ற முடியல டாக்டர் நிறைய பேரால. ஆனால் அவர்கள் கார்லையும் ஏசி ரூம்லையும் இங்க படிச்சுட்டு இந்த வளங்களை எல்லாம் பயன்படுத்திட்டு இந்த மக்களை இந்த ஒரு டாக்டருக்கு நான் போறேன்னு சொன்னால் எனக்கு பின்னால் 1000 பேர் இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களோட சான்ஸ் எல்லாம் வீணாக்கிட்டு நாம படிச்சு படிச்சுன்னா பாய்ஸ் இல்லாங்க வந்துட்டு பொருள் போகணும். Think about it. You must go foreign போகணும், earn some money and bring it here. காசு கொண்டு வாங்க இங்க and start a factory or schools or colleges. பஞ்சு சங்கம் கட்டிட்டு at least give the job opportunity for 100 people. 100 பேருக்கு வந்து வேலைவாய்ப்பு கொடுக்கும். You are a great person. And I can say one thing. In India, some other places. Now college ரூபாய்க்கு ஒரு மியூசிக் ப்ரோக்ராம் ஒரு இரவு 10 மணிலேருந்து 3 மணி வரைக்கும் ஒரு 40 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு ஊரெல்லாம் கூட ஜிபே கட்டி மியூசிக் அக்னியோ சம்திங் ஒன்று வந்து இந்த மியூசிக் ப்ரோக்ராம் 4 மணித்தியாலத்தில் 40 லட்சம் காசு கரையை போயிடுச்சு சாம்பலாக. ஒரு தமிழ் கேட்க அந்த 40 லட்சம் ரூபாய அந்த பிரதேசத்துல நான் ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு லைப்ரரி கட்டி அந்த லைப்ரரியில புக்ஸ் ஒன்று போனா ஒரு 40 கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் இன்டர்நெட் இணைப்போட வழங்கியிருந்தால் அந்த பிரதேசத்து மக்கள் வளர்ந்திருப்பார்கள், அறிவியலால சாதனை எட்டியிருப்பார்கள். முடிஞ்சிருக்கும். சின்ன நாடு அமெரிக்க நாடு, இந்த நாடு வளர்த்திருக்கலாம், முடியவில்லை. ஏனென்றால் அவங்களோட சிந்தனைகள் வேறு விதமாக இருக்கிறது. சுயநலமான போக்குகள் இன்று வரையும் நாங்கள் வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். யாழ்ப்பாணத்தில் சொல்ல போனால் சாதிகள் சமயங்கள் ஒன்றி பிணைந்து வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. அதனால் இந்த கடைக்கு போன சொன்னா இந்த கடைக்கு போகக்கூடாது என்று அவன் கூடாது, இவன் நல்லவன், அப்படி கிளாசிபிகேஷன், அது டிஸ்கிரிமினேஷன், பாகுபாடுகளை வளர்த்துக் கொண்டு எங்கள் சமுதாயத்தை முன்னேற விடாமல் தடுத்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றார்கள். நமது இந்த படித்த சமூகத்தினர் நாங்கள் சொல்லலாம், கலம்பேந்து வந்தால் நான் படித்த பொழுது என்னுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சிங்களீஸ் முஸ்லிம்ஸ் அண்ட் லெக்சரர் சொன்னாங்க, யாழ்ப்பாணமா, ஓ what a great person you are, you have educated every, now you think it, can you touch with the Colombian people or American people? முடியுமா? அவங்களால முடியாது. But we have a theory knowledge. பட்டம் அப்துல் கலாம் பட்டம் விட்டார், சின்ன பட்டம் விட்டார், பெரிய பட்டம் விட்டார், ஆளளவு பட்டம் விட்டார். அப்பொழுது தோன்றிய சிந்தனை தான் ராக்கெட் விட்டால் என்று சிந்தித்தார். The great scientist in the world now. He is the great scientist in the world. ஏன் எங்களுடைய சிந்தனைகளை அந்த நேரத்துக்கு மாற்ற முடியாமல் இருக்குது? நான் உழைக்கணும், நான் காரவாரவானும், நான் நல்ல விடுவட்டவனும், அப்படி சிந்திக்காமல் ஏன் எங்கள் சிந்தனைகளை இன்னும் மாற்ற முடியாமல் இருக்கிறது எங்களால் சொன்னால், குறுகிய மனப்பானைகளும் சுயநல போக்குகளும் இன்று வரையும் எங்களோட ஒட்டி உறவாடி கொண்டிருக்கின்றன. So we have to throw it somewhere. எரிஞ்சிட்டோம்னு சொல்ல எங்கட இளைஞர், you are the young people, you are the young generation, you are going to be the great people. நீங்களாம் பேசாமல போறீங்க. So you think in your mind, take this in your mind. மைண்ட்ல எடுங்கோ, change your attitudes மாத்துங்கோ. So you can be the success person. For example, கியூபால சொல்லலாம், கியூபா பிரச்சனைக்கு பிடல் காஸ்ட்ரோ படிச்ச இளைஞர்கள் எல்லாரையும் கூப்பிட்டார். நீ படித்தனியா, நீ ஏழு படித்தனியா, நீ ஓய்வு படித்தனியா, கிராஜுவேட் எல்லாம் வா, என்ன பின்னால் அணிதிரண்டு வா. நீ சித்தங்கனை போ, நீ மாணிப்பாய் போ, நீ நல்லூர் go everywhere in the country. எல்லா நாட்டிலும் எல்லா இடங்களுக்கும் போய் உனக்கு என்ன முடியுமோ அதை நீ படிப்பி. உனக்கு என்ன முடியுமோ அதை நீ படிப்பி. எல்லாரும் போனாங்க, எல்லாரும் படிப்பிட்டாங்க. யுனெஸ்கோ அறிக்கையின்படி the Cuba is the top level in the education accuracy level. அப்படிதான் உலக தலைவர்கள் சிந்திக்கிறார்கள். சிந்தித்ததன் விளைவுதான் நாடுகள் இப்படி மாற்றம் பெற்றிருக்கின்றன. நீங்களும் தலைவர்கள் தான். Every people, I can see every people here. எல்லா நான் முகங்களையும் பார்க்கிறேன். இந்த முகங்கள் தான் நாளைக்கு இந்த நாட்டை அபிவிருத்தி செய்கின்ற தூண்களாக இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று that is my wish. And here you have studied English. That is not the end, that is the beginning, and you have to give it to the some ableness people. So keep it in your mind. And I would like to thank my guests because they have spent a lot of time here, and really I appreciate for your thanking, and your kind presence make me one step more in my field. Definitely with your help I will improve the society using these students. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you, dear chairperson.